You spot the typo on the whiteboard before the teacher does. You reread your essay 3 times before clicking submit. You actually wince when you get something wrong. That's not anxiety. You're a sharp eagle, type 1. And that precision is a genuine superpower once you know how to aim it. Here's where that strength can turn on you. The same instinct that makes you careful can make you slow and stuck. The blank page freeze, the essay you can't start, the notes redone 3 times, the shame spiral after one wrong answer. But aimed well, that precision makes you the student whose work actually holds together, who catches the errors everyone else misses. Same instinct, 2 very different outcomes. So here's how a sharp eagle learns best. First, the timed draft. Set a timer, and when it goes off, you submit. This draft is allowed to be 85% right. Second, treat wrong answers as data, not verdicts. A mistake just tells you what to study next. Third, use a hint before you hit the wall, because gathering the piece you're missing is precision in action. And fourth, let it go a little faster. And you don't have to manage all this alone. The whole faculty adapts to your learning genius. Professor Pi frames a wrong answer as diagnostic information, never failure. Professor Quill won't rush you into a final draft, but will push back when you're polishing something that's already good enough. Mentor sits at the center, coordinating it all, helping you care about quality in a way that actually gets you further. One more thing sharp eagles get wrong: grinding on when you're running on empty, convinced the next redraft will finally make it perfect. Mentor checks your energy first. Green means push the difficulty. You'll love that. Amber means keep it short, core only. And red means rest tonight, because no amount of polishing beats a good night's sleep. Mentor won't tell you to stop caring about quality. It'll help you care about it without feeling permanently behind. We're now inviting the first 100 founding member families. You're not the anxious student, you're the precise one who just hasn't been shown how to use it yet. Find your learning genius at aitutors.mini.